Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, boss and coming in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we're there with another
Inside.
Brand new banger.
Right before we get in it, guys, as usual, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber. Anyway, no more itching, right into it.
You're a boy, you're going to play with a lifetime, you have to work. You can't talk about you now going like the same people are bigger to do you. Our work we have. We not go to run back our money. Say that. You have a woman. You have a woman tearing her foot and eat your food. And talk to her like on a body man.
Oh!
Come on, then for the blouse and skirt better. As the government from the country for one day, look on KFC drive through line. This is come from way up and stop like, you know. Watch there. You have to tell me people cook in the yard? Look from blouse and skirt KFC. Never cook on the yard. Cook pot. Cook food. Watch the people then. Watch them.
A KFC line, the long thing. Look like in a same catching out there, so we know that place there. We up at a gas station that, you know. KFC no man. Portmore National Dish, you know. Next one, you know, please.
You see Jamaicans. Today I'm gonna buy a tray again of that. But choose a drive, me get me just pick up the egg and put it in a car, you know. I'm just a bit it, you know, watch out.
Oh!
Only and the bad them
We're wicked. You know, see onion, the man them put the onion in the thing and the thing look like egg, as the mona say. Or egg. No easy, you know?
What you did?
Run.
Let me do it. Ask him why they call look for your father. You know say you come up. Ask him. Eh. Government stuff. One up. Oh. Are you get me in a problem, you know? Alright.
Mary are breathing a sigh of relief following the arrest of a man they believe is responsible for poisoning their water sources. It's understood that yesterday about 6 o'clock in the morning, a resident went to get water from the tank and realized it was discolored and had a stench.
Well, everybody upset, nobody in the heat yesterday, and you kill everybody. Everybody dead. Me, my grandpeople, my mother, father, everybody dead yesterday. Everybody dead.
What?
Oh!
People laugh or be sad. People, when you not do no selfie video them, be careful. Be careful where when you do them, yeah?
If you want first, we go on. You want to take my spot? Easy. Take my spot. I shall give you my... No. I'm not talking with nobody, but I can let her go in before me. Because if they're not heaven, I'm money in there. Excitement. Before all them, you're there in front. Look here now, girl, I'm not an argument with her. I want to see her, I'm not an argument with nobody. Yeah, behind the shield, you need to come out of the line and give it a spot.
Yeah, so don't roll it.
I'm not arguing with her, I'm still will give her the choice to go free. You forget when your friend tell you she can't get a man. Me don't need to explain to but me just tell her.
Alright peeps, so my thoughts on the whole matter, bag of random videos as you clearly can see. It's just a bag of little things that happen during the whole big C thing. Soljie get cross, man pretty much I say, yo, you think me they out to say you think man a waste man? My work me I do. And they pan overtime, you have a woman, stay home and make love to your woman. Where you out there say look out in a space. You know what I mean? Tension rises. You know what I mean? The big C make people are snap. People them still need to practice social distancing. And you hear the little girl say, come on men say, we need to come off on the road. Yeah. So let me know what you think about the whole matter down below guys in the comment section. And also guys, if you have any videos you want to send to me, I'll post my number down there. Any video you want me to react to. This is just a simple video again guys. Thanks for watching and just go and journey with your boy. Ah shoo!
Yeah.